Hey, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? So I just made a control and key for a Silverado 2012. I use my VVDI. Okay, and we're gonna go to remote program, and we're gonna go to America. Okay, not Chevy. Excuse me, you guys. Sorry about that. And then we're just gonna go to Silverado. Now we can program all these cars right here, right? But today we're actually looking for a Silverado and see 07 through 16. Now the one that I picked was this one. So this is the remote. So we're gonna generate it, make sure that it's connected to universal remote. All right, the battery's out and it's connected to the cable. Okay, and then we just press generate to generate a remote, and it's gonna say burst access or not, and we're ready to program our remote. Like I said, you guys can easily program it on the menu section, but there's other videos. I don't have one to manually program it because I do it by machine. But those remotes are actually compatible. They're compatible. You can actually do one of those with the flip key, so it can look like the new style instead of, you know, those big round remotes and just extra keys. So the only problem though is that when you put it in the ignition, the lever, when you pull on the lever, it hits. So you kind of have to bend it down a little bit like that while it's in there. This is the type of chip that it needs. It's the Philips 46 Plus. So I went ahead and took it out. I opened it and I put it. There's a little slot in here where you can put it in.
Pero me lo das a ver si.
Okay. So the remote you can actually program through here. I don't have any YouTube videos. I'll post one up soon. But this is just showing you the success I have.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So this is a universal remote by Xhorse. Okay. Flip style. So like I said, the remote you can program it through here in the settings, and you go on remote and you press lock unlock. I don't have it on this video. And the key's really easy. You put the program key in here, you turn it on. So you put the first key that's programmed, okay, and then you wait till the lock turns off, then you put the new key in and you switch it on, okay, and then the little key should turn off. I have more videos on my page if you want to check that out. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you guys out, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, okay?